Hello, this is Christina coming to you from sunny California and my kitchen corner. Today I would like to share with you a video on how to salvage flowers, and these are flowers that my son bought me, and as you can see they are already dying. So I decided to put them in a smaller container. And this is a Ray Dunn jar that I picked up from the thrift shop. This is what I'm gonna do to try to revive some of these flowers. Okay, I had already started, so I'm just going to pop these in. I'm gonna take them out of the vase. So, and I'm gonna save all these little flowers that have died already because I want to save the seeds. So I'm thinking I'll cut them about right there. And I'm going to take all the dead leaves off. And hopefully these will revive. So I still have some extra flowers here. I'm going to put them in this pitcher. And it's also a Ray Dunn. And it has a palm tree on the back, so I'm thinking it's going to match nicely with these green flowers. The camera wasn't on the picture, so let me do it again. I'm gonna save all the flowers because these are the seeds. Once they dry, I sprinkle these in my garden. These are all seeds right here once they dry. Well, here are my two floral arrangements, and I think they are adorable. Even though they're a little sad looking and a little past their prime, I love it just the same because these are flowers that my son gave me, and I want to hold on to them until they are wilted and dead. Even then, I'm gonna still keep up, and I'll be deadheading all those flowers and saving them for the seeds, so that I can sprinkle them in my garden when they're dried, and hopefully I'll get some more flowers that my son gave me. I also wanted to share with you my decorations for Valentine's Day, and I kept it simple this year, and I didn't think it was enough for a video, so I didn't make one. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. I would appreciate it. Goodbye.